Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
I have this video file which I just want the audio from it. So let me show you how to extract the audio from this video. So I have this video which is I'm going to I'm opening VLC Player, click on converts/save. Now go to your folder where the video is, drag and drop it into that VLC box there, and then click on convert save, right? And then uh, after that, then you can from the profile pick the audio, which is MP3, and click on browse and set a file name for it and where do you want to save it. So I'm saving it in the temp folder. So once I put the name, it starts processing, and then it saves the file. Hit start, and now it starts processing the file, and we are all set. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.